Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, or ADAS, are essential for safer and smarter vehicles, processing data in real time to make split-second decisions. But what happens when interconnection failures disrupt the automotive Ethernet network? Understanding how ADAS reacts to faults at the design verification stage is critical to ensuring safe, reliable operation under all real-world conditions. This is where fault insertion testing comes into play. By automatically introducing wiring faults into the ADAS networks in a hardware-in-the-loop simulation environment, design engineers can quickly and repeatably simulate real-world failures and verify that ADAS controllers react safely and predictably under all conditions. Pickering's new PXI and PXI Express high-bandwidth fault insertion modules are specifically designed for this purpose. Supporting the latest multi-gig standards, these modules enable precise interconnection fault simulation, including open and shorted wires. With advanced MEMS switching technology, they seamlessly handle all automotive Ethernet data rates, with life cycles of over 3 billion operations. Precision and reliability are built into every unit. By integrating automotive Ethernet fault insertion into your testing strategy, you can improve the safety and reliability of your ADAS systems. Explore how Pickering can support your efforts to design and test with confidence. Visit pickeringtest.com/ADAS to learn more.